Original Wise presents. Wise Nature, Rivers and Lakes, Episode 2. A river seems like a magic thing. Magic, moving, living part of the earth itself. No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river, and he's not the same man. A dream is like a river ever changing as it flows, and a dreamer is just a vessel that must follow where it goes. Everything is changing, and you cannot step twice in the same river. The river has great wisdom and whispers its secret to the hearts of men. If my ship sails from sight, it doesn't mean my journey ends. It simply means the river bends. Rivers know this. There is no hurry. We shall get there someday. No river can return to its source, yet all rivers must have a beginning. He who does not know his way to the sea should take a river for his guide. There is another alphabet, whispering from every leaf, singing from every river, shimmering from every sky. One can flow harmoniously with a river, or one can struggle fearfully against the river, and the river just flows. I had no plans for any destination. I wished to flow like a river. Learn from a river. Obstacles may force it to change its course, but never its destination. A boat can cross a river, a ship can cross a sea, and a soul can cross the universe. Smell the river and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly. A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. A winter message from a river. Never surrender. Life can try to stop you, but somehow find a way to flow. Never test the depth of a river with both feet. There's only one way to tackle life. Enjoy a day at the beach and jump into a great lake, head first. Stay close to the serenity of a lake to meet your own peace of mind. Even a pebble cast in the middle of a lake creates ripples that eventually reach the shore. Thanks for watching. Original Wise.